Hello and welcome back to the channel. Do you need a flashlight that can do it all? The Fenix LD35R isn't just another torch. This flashlight is great for the outdoors, camping, hiking, etc. But it can also use as a tactical flashlight. Emergency ready, magnetic mountable light show packed into a rugged little beast. And today, we're gonna break it all down. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. At first glance, the LD35R looks like an everyday flashlight until you realize it's hiding 3 light sources, 15 light modes, color options, and strobe. You get 1800 lumen max output with 368 yard throw with the main light. Now that's power in your hand. And you have a side light that's soft white light. You can have only one side lit if you want to use it for reading, or 360-degree light, great to be used as a lantern since it has a flat magnetic tail, so it can be sitting on the table or attached to any metal surface. And you can also use the side light in red, blue, or both. And this works perfect in case of an emergency, or if you just want some romantic light. It also has a glass break-in tips, IP68 water and dust proof, and impact resisting. All that in a very compact body. The LD35R is unique with various output options. Let's see what this bad boy can do at night. Turbo mode is 1800 lumen with 368 yard throw. This is your max power for when you need it the most and can run for 2 hours and 19 minutes. High mode is 800 lumen with 237 yard throw. Great for lighting up your path and beyond, and can run for 3 hours. Medium mode is 350 lumens and 156 yard throw. This one is great for night walks without disturbing your neighbors and can run for 5 hours and 34 minutes. Low mode is 100 lumen with 85 yard throw. Great for when there is a power outage because it can run for 22 hours and 39 minutes. Eco mode is 20 lumens with 37 yard throw. This one is great for sneaking in a snack in the middle of the night and can run for 101 hour and 54 minutes. And strobe mode is 1800 lumen. All that is just the main light. Now let's talk about the side light. Great for general lighting with its single side lighting. Single low is 5 lumens with 3 yard throw and 56 hours and 35 minutes of runtime. Single high is 30 lumen with 6 yard throw and 15 hours and 44 minutes of runtime. It can act like a lantern with 360-degree lighting with both sides on. Dual low is 80 lumen with 7 yard throw and 6 hours and 13 minutes of runtime. Dual high is 150 lumen with 10 yard throw and 6 hours and 2 minutes of runtime. And now for the color side light. These modes are great for emergencies or creating a fun atmosphere and to preserve your vision at night. Red constant is 5 lumens with 60 hours and 37 minutes of runtime. Red flashing is 15 lumen with 55 hours and 13 minutes of runtime. Blue flashing is also 15 lumens with 30 hours and 26 minutes of runtime. Red and blue flashing is 15 lumens with 31 hours and 28 minutes of runtime. And finally, red SOS is 15 lumens with 51 hours and 7 minutes of runtime. Now let's see what comes in the box. You get the LD35R, holster, USB-C charging cable, lanyard, spare O-ring, and the manual. The LD35R is designed differently, because when we talk about light mode, we usually mean brightness level. But with this bad boy, you get so much more. It has a powerful 1800 lumen main beam with 5 output levels plus strobe. That's 6 mode right there. But it doesn't stop there. The LD35R also features a side light system that has 9 more modes. You can use a single side light for a south direction glow, perfect for reading or preserving your night vision. Or activate both sides for full 360-degree illumination. Ideal for camping or lighting up your space without a harsh spotlight effect. Then you got color modes. Red and blue flashing, great for emergencies, signaling, or creating a fun vibe. So why the LD35R is better than traditional flashlight? Simple, you're getting 3 lights in one. All it takes is a quick flick to the toggle switch to jump into the mode you need. It's compact, just 5.37 inches long, and weight only 6.5 ounces. So it's easy to carry it with you wherever you go, thanks to this metal clip or the included holster. The toggle switch is up top, simple to use, to select one of the 3 light modes. Center is main light, left is white side light, right is the color side light, and an electronic side switch for easy operation. It also has a magnetic flat tail. It even includes ceramic tip strike bezels for self-defense or breaking glass in case of emergency. The LD35R is built from A6061 T6 aircraft-graded aluminum, plus it's IP68 rated water and dust proof, and can withstand an impact from up to 1 meter. So you know it can handle whatever the world throws at it. The LD35R is powered by 3400 mAh lithium-ion battery. It's rechargeable, replaceable, and it can run for 101 hours and 54 minutes on the Eco mode. So basically 102 hours. That's more than 4 days of consistent lighting. It can easily light up your camping weekend or survive a power outage. It's also rechargeable by USB-C that's covered by a rubber door to maintain its IP68 rating. And it has a battery indicator to let you know how much juice left and when you need to charge it. And now for the operation guide. When the toggle switch is in the middle, that's the main light. Press the side switch for half a second to turn it on. It will start on medium mode. To change the output level, press the side switch. It will go from medium to high, turbo, eco, low, and back to medium. If you want to switch to the white side light, move the toggle switch to the left. It will start on single low, and by pressing the side switch, it will go from single low to single high, dual high, and back to single low. And for color side light, move the toggle switch to the right. And to change the light mode, press the side switch to go from red constant to red flashing, red and blue flashing, and red SOS, and back to red constant. And to turn it off, simply press the side switch for half a second. And for strobe mode, simply press the side switch for 1 second. It doesn't matter if the flashlight on or off. And to lock the flashlight, simply double press the side switch while the flashlight is off, and the flashlight will blink twice to confirm. To unlock the flashlight, double press the side switch twice, and it will be unlocked and on, depends on which mode the toggle switch is on. Let's recap. I've tested a lot of lights, but the LD35R is one of the most versatile I've used. It nails the basic, power, runtime, beam shape, but also goes above and beyond with multi-angle lighting, colors, and magnetic mounting. It's tactical with a compact design that offers strike muzzle and strobe, and it's great for camping with its side light that can work as a lantern, especially with its flat and magnetic tail. And in an emergency, you have red and blue flashing, making sure that you're being seen no matter what. The Fenix LD35R proven that flashlights don't have to be boring. They can be tactical, colorful, and crazy useful. If you want one flashlight that can do it all, this is it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and until next time, keep exploring and stay lit.